Welcome to Genius ERP Education Management System. Visit www.geniusegisoft.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today we will see the Timetable Management module in detail. Using this module, you can make timetable settings, generate timetables, and also add proxy lectures. This section shows a list of timetable settings for various classes and departments. To add a new setting, click on Add Timetable button. Select Department. Select Shift. Select Class. Select Semester. School start and end times will be set as set in for the shift time. Select lecture duration type, whether auto or manual. Here, let's select auto. Select lecture duration from the options here. Select the number of lectures from here. Select the number of breaks you want to allot. Select the break duration from here. Select after which lecture you want to allot a break. Here, let's select 4. Select the checkboxes for all the working weekdays from here and then click on the Generate Timetable button. The timetable setting will be generated. Under this section, you can generate timetables for various classes and sections. Select Department. Select Shift. Select Class. Select Section. Enter the timetable name here. Select the timetable category, whether you want to auto-generate or manually generate it. Assign subject and teacher manually. Click on the link. Select a subject that you want to allocate for that particular lecture. Select the teacher assigned for that subject. Then click on the Save button. Similarly, make entries for all the other lectures. After making entries for all the lectures, click on the Submit button. Under the Timetable section, you can get a list of all the timetables generated. By clicking on this symbol, you can edit the timetable that is generated. By clicking on the I symbol, you can view the timetable that you generated. Under the Proxy section, you get a list of proxy lectures assigned to teachers. An important note here is you can add proxy lectures only if the attendance of that teacher is updated under the Attendance module. To add a proxy, click on Add Proxy button. Select the absent teacher. Select the timetable. Select the lecture for which you want to add a proxy. Select the present teacher to whom you want to assign a proxy lecture. Now click on Submit button. For further details, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.